Yeah, this is what happened to me. I purchased 4 new tires for this car. I actually got a really good price on them online, and I ordered them. I had them delivered to my home, and then I took them down and I had them computer balanced at a local shop, and I drove it home and it was vibrating and bouncing. So when I got home, I called them and I asked them, I told them, you know, they said just bring it back in, we'll rebalance them for you, no problem. So I took it back in, and they found one of them out of balance. So I drove it home again. On the way home, it was still vibrating and out of balance. Originally I thought probably what's going on here is one of the tires. Since I'm not going to lie to you, they're not the most expensive tires in the world, but I thought maybe one of the tires is just out of true. It's not true, it's out of round. So, and I drove it for a while like that. If I got up to 55, 60 miles an hour, it'd just start bouncing. So finally I just decided I saw this little tire balance, a bubble balance, set up down at Harbor Freight for $40 on sale. So I decided I'm going to go down there. I'm just going to go down there, buy it for $40. It's not that big a deal. I bought some weights, some of the stick-on weights. Basically, I just wanted to see for myself. I wanted to look at the tires myself and see what I could find. And I watched a lot of YouTube videos on this, how to set this up. It's really pretty easy. But I ended up, I just said to heck with it. I took all their weights off the tires. That's not all of them, some of them I lost. And I just started over from scratch with this, you know, just a simple bubble balance. And I did all 4 tires. I went through all 4 tires very carefully. I rebalanced all the tires. I just took it for a drive. Got up 50, 55, 60, 65, 70 miles an hour. I had no vibration at all. So, you know, everybody's got to do, maybe wherever you live, you have a really good tire shop. I know when I was a kid, there was a guy that balanced, all he did was balance in true tires. That's all he did for a living. He did fleet cars, he did local law enforcement, and he had a really good little business. I took my Camaro down to him one time. I was just a kid, because I couldn't get anybody to balance it up. He trued the tires and balanced them for me, and I remember it to this day. Never rode in a car so it was just smooth. It's like rolling on glass. And since then I've always been real sensitive to any vibration in the car. But anyway, I just wanted to share. You know, I don't know. I was very skeptical of something that only costs $40 to balance tires. And I just give you my opinion. This has worked for me, worked really well.